friends, in this video we are going to discuss NEET questions that are asked from NCERT Class 12 Chemistry Part 1 on electrolysis of dilute sulfuric acid using platinum electrode. The product obtained at anode will be definitely based on electrodes. The product may change. For NaCl, sodium amalgam electrode is to be used. The platinum electrode is mentioned in here because it's an ideal electrode which will not indulge in electrolysis process. The platinum will not interfere with the products of electrolysis, hence it is called an ideal electrode. So the main reactant or the product to be electrolyzed is dilute sulfuric acid, and again there is a direct NCERT statement for this. So there are two reactions possible. One, during the electrolysis of sulfuric acid, the following processes are possible at the anode. So this one or this one. So either it evolves oxygen or it forms this one, S2O8 2 minus. So how to find out? So in this case, for dilute sulfuric acid, reaction 3.38 is preferred. So oxygen is evolved, not S2O8 2 minus. So it's oxygen gas. Direct question. An increase in concentration of the reactants of a reaction leads to change in collision frequency. So we come to know that collision frequency changes on increase in reactant, because with increase in concentration of the reactants per unit volume there would be more number of molecules. So the number of collisions taking place per unit time per unit volume increases to a greater extent. Hence with increase in concentration the collision frequency increases. So it's not going to be heat of reaction, which is enthalpy. Heat of reaction we also call it as enthalpy of reaction. The enthalpy is not going to change. Per mole the enthalpy is going to remain constant. So enthalpy or heat of reaction is not going to change. Threshold energy, the energy above which the orientation or the bonding takes place, is called threshold energy. On increasing the concentration of reactants, the threshold energy is not going to increase. Might be the number of bonding mate is going to increase, but not threshold energy or nor activation energy is going to increase. It's only the collision frequency that increases. Next, an element has body-centered cubic structure with a cell edge of 288 picometer, and NCERT uses the letter A in order to indicate this edge length or cell edge 288 picometer. The atomic radius is indicated as R. So for body-centered cubic structures, R equal to root 3 by 4a, R equal to root 3 by 4a, so R equal to root 3 by 4 times a. So next question, urea reacts with water to form A, which will decompose to form B. Urea has formula NH2CONH2. So this is actually a product of ammonia, carbon dioxide and water. So whenever urea gets decomposed, it converts into ammonia, carbon dioxide and water. So when urea reacts with the water, it tends to form ammonia, carbon dioxide as major product. So ammonia is the major product in here and carbon dioxide is evolved. It will decompose to form B. Urea will decompose to ammonia to form B. B is ammonia. B when passed through copper, that is Cu2 plus. So Cu plus exists, Cu2 plus exists. So this one is called cuprous and this one is called cupric. Similarly, Fe2 plus is called ferrous, Fe3 plus is called ferric. The lower oxidation state must end with OUS and higher oxidation state must end with IC. So when ammonia reacts with Cu2 plus, it forms a complex. Deep blue color solution is formed. It's a complex CuNH3